So good evening all, right? So today's our topic for the session is the identify intellectual component at the early stage of the innovation. Now, before the starting the session, right, I want to clear the few things. First is like it is not a kind of lecture, right? It will be an interactive session. Just at the initial, I'm giving you brief about what is the intellectual properties. Okay, so you'll understand like what is the intellectual component. Fine, and after that we go for the interactive session. Now, I know many of the students who have joined, they may be knowing what is the IPR, the intellectual property rights, and many of you maybe not knowing what is that. So we'll take a brief of that, and once we done with that, then we'll find out like what are the small thing that can improve our mini project. Also, we'll not talk about let's say startups or something kind of idea, but even that can be improve our mini projects. All right. So we'll start with the session, and as I said, to understand this topic, the intellectual component, first we should know the what is IPR, the intellectual property rights. Okay. Now these intellectual property rights have many small components like patent, trade secret, trademarks, and many more. Okay. So first we'll see those small component, right, with the some kind of examples, and once we'll complete with those components, right, we'll go for our actual topic. So let's say first start with the patent, right? So I've just given a small brief of the patent, right, and the images. So this will be more clear to you, right? What is actual patent is there, right? Now, when you see the patent, the people are getting confused. Basically, people are getting confused in industrial design and the patent. Okay. Now, what is the industrial design? Industrial design is actually a complete engineering application. I'm again repeating, we are solving an engineering problem. It's a complete engineering application, and in other word or mechanical sentence, if I say, it's actually combination of all the mechanism, and it will be a complete kind of machines or complete kind of instrument, whereas the patent can be a part of that machinery. The patent can be a part of that machinery, right? And once we go for a patent, right, patent is actually the legal property right of your innovation, legal property right of your innovation. Okay. Now some of the example I have shown here, like this is a Coca-Cola bottle is here, right? The shape of this bottle is patented, whereas this chocolate, you know very well, like I'm a kind of foodie person, so I have put this chocolate Toblerone. The shape of this is also a patented application is there, right? And one more thing, whenever you go for patent, right, it is for a limited time period, right? Once this time period is completed, you have to again go for your patented technology, that is called series of the patent. Now I don't know you people know or know this thing or not, but there was a current issue with some pharmacy company, right? I think 4 or 5 years back, with related to cancer medicine, right? That previously they were adding something, let's say two components A and B, right? And by adding those two component A and B, they have created one medicine for cancer. Then later on, they have added one more component called as A, B, C, and they have again applied for sequential patent, right? So there was a problem with the IPR issues are there. So what I want to say here is the basic thing is whenever you are think about the patent technologies or whatever component, you have to be sure that what will be your further procedure or what will be your sustainable component in a future. Okay. So this is the first thing of in IPR, that is a patent, right? Please listen to me carefully, because when we go for a practical examples, these things will be useful for you. Yeah. So then now the
Excuse me, sir. I
yeah,
guess Dipali ma'am and few people are waiting for like admitting in the lobby.
sorry, uh,
The meeting.
just give me 1 second.
Yeah.
Now sorry, uh, but I kept it automatic actually. All right. Yeah, sorry for the disturbance. Visible, ppt is visible.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So now the second component of your IPR is called as a trade secret, right? Now, whenever we are talking about the trade secret, its name also suggests is a kind of, you can say, a recipe also. That's why I've taken two example. One is from mechanical form, that is WD-40. Now the WD-40 is a component, right? It's actually a a liquid that we are using to remove the corrosion, right? Whenever something is corroded, if you apply WD-40, your corrosion will like spill out. After some time, corrosion khatam ho jata hai. And when you second one is a KFC example of the KFC recipe, right? That is also one kind of trade secret. If I talk about the